Guys, I've been looking forward for this car show for a long while, and this is called Motion, and this is by Supercar Meet, and it's set to be a really sunny day. I can't wait. Guys, we just arrived and look at all these fantastic cars. How nice is this R8 V10? And I love all the red bits on the side. What would you have? This lovely GT3, this lovely satin grey Lamborghini Urus, or this lovely GT Ferrari in green? Look at the wrap on the Supra, and I love the carbon fibre bits on it. Guys, does anyone like these JDM cars? Because we've got an RX-7 and a Supra. Guys, look at these lovely 570Ss, Mclarens. What colour would you choose? Guys, how nice is some of these three cars? We've got a lovely 911 Turbo S, a Lamborghini Huracan, and a GT4. Look how clean this Aston Martin DBS is. Look at all these theatre baths. Guys, look at all these lovely skylines. Look at all these R35 GTRs. Guys, look at this R35 GTR and look at all the carbon fibre on it. Look how wide it is, and look at the massive spoiler what comes from the back, and look at all the exhausts. How nice is AMG Mercedes SLS? You don't see these often, a Lamborghini Countach. How nice are these two Aston Martins? This is a really rare car, a Challenge Scalale.